Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making cassava porridge. I have my milk boiling. I'm going to add cinnamon stick. Now I will add the grated cassava. Sugar, and this will cook really quick. Now I will add my nutmeg. I will add carnation milk. We're going to continue cooking this for a few more minutes. The cassava porridge is finished. We're going to turn off the stove now. Here is my cassava porridge. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.